Yes or no?
It's better than nothing.
Good. Great. Fine. And don't think I'm getting ready to dessert.
Voices in my head kept singing, go to Seymour, talk to Seymour. I drank some tea, she was feeling only gone. Seymour, sweetheart, tell me, darling, what's been going on?
Hey, little lady, hello.
Who said that?
You're looking cute as can be.
Is somebody in there?
You're looking mighty sweet.
Seymour!
It ain't Seymour, it's me.
Oh my gosh!
Your friendly Audrey II. This plant is talking to you.
I don't believe it.
Believe it, baby, it talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't in Kansas neither.
Something's very wrong here.
Oh, relax and go with it, doll. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need some water in the worst way. Look at my branches. I'm a gonna, honey. Come on and give me a drink.
I don't know if I should.
Hey, little lady, tonight.
You just won't want right?
Sure do, I'll drink it straight.
Your bridges all dry with me.
Don't need no glass or no ice.
I'll get the can.
Don't need no twist of a line. And now it's supper time. Overnight, sweetheart, it'll be easier. Come on, join your dancing friend and Mushnick. They're right inside.
Are you all right?
Yes. No.
Oh my God. Audrey, please don't die. I need you. Please don't die.
The plant just said the strangest thing just now. It said that Nora and Mr.Mushnick were already inside.
That's true. I did it. I led them to it.
And that's what made it so big and strong and made me so famous.
I've done terrible things, Audrey. But not to you. Never to you.
But I want you to, Seymour.
What?
When I die, it should be very shortly, give meat to the plant so I can live and give you all the wonderful things you deserve.
Audrey, you don't know what you're talking about.
But I do, Seymour. It's the one gift I can give you. You'll wash my tender leaves. You'll smell my sweet perfume. You'll honor me and care for me. You'll watch me up and move. Feeling strangely happy now, contented and serene. Oh, don't you see? Finally, I'll be somewhere else.
That's him, Mr. Martin. He's right over there.
Thanks. You don't away from me. Crowborn? Seymour Crowborn? Leave me alone. Patrick Martin. Licensed in the marketing division, World Botanical Enterprise. I got a good proposition for you, boy. I'm not interested. Let me explain in more detail. It's a very simple license deal. We take leaf cutters, develop little Audrey II, and sell them to florists across the nation. Pretty soon, every house with a Melgar will have one. mind, we're gonna start cleaning right now. Imagine, boy, Audrey II's everywhere. Why? With the right advertising, we'd be bigger than Hula Hoops.
Bigger than Hula Hoops?